In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poster in WPS Office Docs. If you are working on a computer and want to design a poster using WPS Office Docs, this walkthrough will show you how to do it smoothly using built-in templates. This approach is great for creating posters for events, schoolwork, announcements, or simple visual projects without starting from scratch. To begin, make sure you are on the WPS Office home screen. From there, go ahead and click Docs. This will open the document workspace where you can access different creation options and templates available inside WPS Office. Once you are inside Docs, look for the option that says Create from Template and click it. This section allows you to start a document using pre-designed layouts instead of a blank page. Using templates can save time and help you achieve a cleaner design, especially if you are not familiar with layout formatting. After clicking Create from Template, move to the search bar and type Poster, then press Enter. As soon as you do this, a wide selection of poster templates will appear on the screen. These templates come in different styles and layouts, giving you plenty of options to choose from depending on your purpose. Take your time to browse through the available templates. When you find one that fits your idea or design preference, click the template you want to use. This will begin preparing the template so it can be opened and edited. Once the template finishes loading, it will open as an editable document. From here, you can start customizing it based on how you want your poster to look. You can change the text to match your content, adjust fonts and sizes, and modify colors to suit your theme. You also have the option to add text boxes if you need extra sections, insert word art for titles or highlights, and remove any elements that do not fit your design. Everything in the template is adjustable, giving you full creative control while still benefiting from a ready-made layout. As you make changes, take a moment to review how the poster looks overall. Make sure the text is clear, the spacing is balanced, and the design communicates your message effectively. Once you are satisfied with your edits, your poster is ready. You can continue refining it anytime if needed, but the main structure is already complete. That is how you create a poster in WPS Office Docs using templates on your computer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.